All right, I've got the 2018 BMW M5 in front of me. This is going to be a true cold start. It's got an Akrapovič full exhaust, and then it's got Catless downpipes, Venturi carbon fiber intakes. That's pretty much it for mechanicals. It is got a stage 2 tune, JBR piggyback ECU tuner plugged in. Aside from that, pretty much internally stock. This is just the early morning here, and we'll go hop in and get her started. It's going to be, it defaults to quiet mode, so this is going to be pretty much the quietest cold start you can get.